jump our van real quick. Our battery died.
We're having troubles with the van again. The front battery for some reason is getting drained, so now we can't get it to start. I've tested it with a multimeter and I don't really know what's causing it to not charge or to be drained. But yeah, Cam's in the Walmart looking for a jump starter to hopefully save us from this happening. We still have to get something fixed, but at least this will be able to get us started. I disconnected the battery. We took it in there. They tested it. He said it's chargeable. I was hoping they would just be able to replace it, but so they're charging it right now. So we're sitting in the van in the dark making waffles because we're hungry. Thought we were getting everything fixed earlier, but no, of course there's another issue. But we'll figure it out. Staying positive over here on this side, of course. That's all we can do.
Guess what fucking day it is?
It's Friday the 13th. And we just remembered. And this is the day that, of course, everything is, going the way it is. Yeah.
That makes so much sense.
Yeah.
That's just fucking it. That's why.
What a day.
Jeez.
We went to AutoZone and had them check our alternator with some machine they had. And they said there's definitely an issue with the alternator. They're not even seeing it producing a charge, basically. So we've kind of looked at it and done a little bit of research in it, and I think I'm going to try to replace the alternator tomorrow.
That'll be a task.
Yeah, that'll be a task. I mean, it'll give me something to do, I guess. And so we're parked outside of the Orleans in their parking lot. It's just about 1.5 miles down the road from the AutoZone that has the alternator we need. So tomorrow we're gonna go grab that and I'm gonna get on it. Hopefully I can knock it out within 12 hours.
It's been a rough, exhausting day.
But we're gonna make it through it. We are just going with the flow, man. We're gonna, be okay, no matter what.
Yeah. It's a new day.
Good morning. We're at the AutoZone. Last night we got kicked out of that place outside the Orleans. Security said the parking lot was closed. So we got kicked out and then we just drove down a road just like directly away from it and parked on the side and then crashed, and it was totally fine.
Yeah.
So now we're back to the AutoZone.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy an alternator. We've watched a few YouTube videos and we're gonna go for it.
Never done this. Neither of us have ever done this before, but
we're confident in ourselves.
Yeah.
We can do anything we put our minds to.
Yeah. So let's hope our van still runs
after this. After we take her apart. Here we go. Well, I think it was just that Friday the 13th shit on us or something, because the alternator seems to be working now.
We go into AutoZone, they don't have the alternator we need.
After the fuckers at AutoZone tell us that it was at this one, so
we walk over to O'Reilly next door, they don't have what we need. So they told us to drive down the road to another one. So we decided to just look at our alternator.
Yeah, but first they said to take pictures of it, and so I go in there and I just we're trying to take pictures of it, and I disconnect the piece and then plug it back in, and the alternator is charging the batteries, the front and the back at the moment. So we're thinking that I don't know what to think. I don't fucking know.
A loose, I don't know. We're gonna check the wires to see if there's a short in it.
There could be a bad ground somewhere.
Yeah,
or there could just be a short in the wire. So we're just gonna take a peek at everything and check it all out.
And not spend the money.
Yeah, luckily we don't have to spend $130 on a new alternator.
But knock on glass.
Knock on glass at the moment. We don't have to at the moment.
Yeah.
So
we don't want to jinx ourselves.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on it and hope for the best.
Yeah. But now we're just gonna head to Magic Mountains
Yeah, we're gonna head to where we wanted to go yesterday.
and just, you know, hope everything works.
We made it to the Magic Mountains. We just ate some breakfast burritos and now we're gonna go check them out and see what they're like.
Change of plans.
Yeah, so turns out 3 of our family members have COVID.
Well,
Probably.
maybe. We're not going to Vegas.
Because Cam's mom is one of those possibilities. She was around Cam's brother who has COVID, so.
So we just agreed that we don't want to risk anything.
Yeah.
So
It's not worth us getting sick, even though we do miss her.
yeah.
Sorry, Jenica. We love you.
She agreed too. She
Yeah,
was in the agreement that she probably shouldn't come to Vegas.
Mhm.
So, which is sad. I miss her, but it's for the better.
Yeah.
So
we headed south. We hit the Flying J and showered.
shower time.
And now we are just off of Route 66 above Joshua Tree at what's called Amboy Crater. We're camping here and then we're gonna hike it in the morning.
And then we'll be on our way to Joshua Tree
Southern Joshua Tree.
to meet our friends.
Yeah, to meet Mike and Jen. Good morning. We are heading on this hike to the Amboy Crater. The trail's about 3 miles long, the full loop, so it should take us maybe a couple hours at most. $360. Crazy.
So if you're ever wondering what the inside of a volcano looks like, that's it.
It looks like the outside.
You stole mine. You stole my line.
Yeah, it's too good. I couldn't just leave it. Come on, roll, baby. I just want to try to make it as far as we can. We just gotta make it to the Walmart and we'll get new batteries and then we'll be fine. Sing through the pain.
You have to laugh it out because
this sucks.
yeah.
I can't even turn on my hazards. We are just rolling.
Yeah.
Rolling, rolling, rolling on the freeway. Oh my God.
Okay.
All right, let's do it.
Jump number 2.
Jump number 2, bye-bye.
Cars out here are ruthless. They won't even get over. But she started. So hopefully she can make us 6 minutes.
All right. Oh, it already died.
Oh shit.
Let's do this. Pop the hood again for me. So our front battery died. Oh shit. seem like the connections are the same size.
Yeah, it looks smaller. You're gonna put those up front?
Yeah. So for that,
That's connected.
I don't think it'll work, actually. I can't put this. Fuck, dude. I don't think so.
Okay, should I see if we can call like Geico roadside assistance?
Call Mike.
Okay. Yeah, our amazing friends, Mike and Jen, are coming.
We gotta buy him some beer.
Yeah, they're coming to the rescue.
Buy him some beer and some wine or something. Fuck.
Yeah.
But I'm learning. I'm learning new things about the vehicle. So that hopefully if this ever happens to us again, I can... Hopefully it won't ever happen to us again, but if it does, I can figure it out.
Yeah.
Don't let negative things ruin your day. We're
No.
gonna turn off some music and have a dance party.
Oh yeah? It'll be okay. Jen?
Our heroes!
To the rescue! They're just pulling us to this gas station.
91 is pulling the 90. Thank God we both have the same vans, just about.
And we're back.
We made it back. It's been a long day.
It's been a long ass day.
But we got every single thing we needed thanks to Mike and Jen.
Oh my god, they're amazing.
Your angels. We love you so much.
They're amazing.
Yeah, so the Walmart we went to didn't have an auto center. So we had to deal with customer service who didn't know shit about cars or anything. And customer service people in Walmart, it's just, they have to deal with bullshit all day. They're not in good moods. They don't want to help you. But after going through a few managers, we made it work. We got the correct battery for the back and a new correct battery for the front. So we got 2 new fresh batteries and we only had to pay $12 and we'll be getting $40 back because the wrong battery was more. And then we also got all the parts we needed from the auto parts store. We have a coolant return system because for some reason we're missing a tank for our coolant.
Like, how could we go to that many
We went to auto places, yeah.
mechanics, like shops and shit?
It's mind
We said
blowing.
nothing, yeah.
But we found one with the mount and we're gonna put that on there and we're gonna swap the alternator out and then we should be fucking golden.
We just had to like run back and forth.
All over town to different places, all over different cities.
Different auto parts stores, back to Walmart, to the gas station. We obviously had to get pulled from the freeway to a gas station.
Yeah, we got towed off
then-
Mike towed us off the freeway.
But
But we're doing it. Staying positive. Thanks for watching. If you feel our pain, hit that like button. Now we just gotta put it all together. Good morning, folks. We made breakfast burritos, as you can see right here. Zucchini, squash, spinach, potatoes, and tofu scrambled. Bon diggity, as always, one of our favorite breakfast meals. Today is the day we take care of all of our problems. We are going to fix the alternator. We're going to add a coolant tank that somehow we were fucking missing. And then we're going to connect both batteries up, the coach battery with my solar system so that they're both charging from the solar and we can stay off grid for basically ever and never have to worry about our batteries dying again. And then we're gonna kick back, enjoy. Well, after pulling out the alternator, we were able to get everything put back in, and that was able to fix all of our battery charging issues. Thank you guys for coming along with us on this struggle. And we're glad we were able to learn a lot, and maybe you guys were able to learn something too. This is where we're going to end this vlog. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you next week. Vegas, baby!
Oh my god, you scared me. Want to take a selfie?
Yeah.
Oh!
Shit.
Holy shit!
That bush comes out further than I thought.
Ah!
Just rolling.
You gotta stop singing that song.
It's what we're doing though.
We'll keep you updated.
What?
We'll keep you updated.